Today we're working on the Honda Zook, the little bike that was left out in the rain, left to perish, left to rust. I've pulled it apart, I've restored all the parts, I've cleaned everything up, and today, this bike here, it becomes one again. Let's put it back together. So here it is, the little Honda Zook, all its parts on the floor, ready to be stacked together to form a scooter again. Everything's been restored or cleaned, and anything that has been missing or beyond repair had to be sourced from overseas. That's what happens when you have one of the world's rarest scooters. So if this is the first time that you're seeing this build, click the link up here. It will take you to a catch-up where you can see where we got the scooter, where we pulled it apart, and when we first got it running to ensure everything was good. Today, however, we're going to put this thing back together like a cake, and if everything goes well, we will ride it or at least get it started. Let's get into it. If you remember, this little Honda Zook was in an exceptionally poor state when I first got it. It had been left in a paddock to rot. The grass had grown up in around the engine. There were snails in around the stator under the flywheel. After many hours with the wire wheel, rust converter, sanding and painting, the bike is starting to look like something again, factory fresh. We went over the frame, we went over the wheels, we have gone over the engine. Just have a look at that exhaust. This thing is going to be spectacular. This little Honda Zook is ready to live its second life. So here we are, the bike is back together, the bones are here, we've got all the mechanicals in and most of the wiring done, fuel tank, oil tank, it is all there. We still have a little bit of work to do, however. We've got the seat, we've got body panels, we've got the headset and the dashboard, and my least favorite part to do on these builds, wheels and tires. Talking about wheels and tires, there are the wheels down there. They have been freshly acid dipped, stripped and repainted. They are looking pretty much brand new. Now, we have a brand new set of inner tubes. Pretty rare to get in this size, 8-inch tires. Pretty hard to find a set of inner tubes, but even rarer, we have these set of tires. These are an original set of Bigfoot tires that are specifically made for the Honda Zook. You can only get these bad boys from Japan. They're what's needed. Let's get them put together and on the bike. Before we get cracking with wheels and tires, it's a good time to say, if you guys are enjoying this build or any of the other builds that I do on Scooter Bomb, hit that subscribe button so you can be up to date when the next video drops so you don't miss a thing. Bonus points if you like and leave a comment, but let's get to those wheels and tires. Adding fuel means that we're moments away. We've got everything together except for the bodywork the front cable, and of course the dashboard, but we shouldn't need any of that to make it start. I think it's ready, and this is genuine first go. So I'm just going to give it a bit of ether or start your bastard first, just to get it on its way. Okay, ignition I think is on. This thing doesn't have any lights to tell me that it is, but whoa, we got fuel pouring out everywhere. Look at that. So we definitely have fuel. All right, fuel leak has been patched up. New hose, new line, new fitting. Let's try this again. At least we know we have fuel, and we've got a clear fuel line on it this time, so we can see fuel pumping. Oh, we got fuel leaking again somewhere. It's out of the overflow of the carburetor. Which means we have fuel in the carby. Now we have fuel in the carby. You beauty. She started. But can we do it again? Oh, we're getting somewhere. She runs, she revs, she's on her own juice, things are awesome, but it's a bit rattly from the gearbox, so we're going to have to check that there's any oil in there. So far, so good. We're almost there. Hey! 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 Now this is what Scooter Bomb is all about. Taking bikes from the dead and getting them to run again. And we're getting it to run.